Ceramic coating, take our applicator pad. So now I just go ahead and simply apply like so. We coated our surface, and now we're gonna set a 2-minute timer to let the coating bond to the surface, and in 2 minutes we're gonna come back and we're gonna wipe away the high spots. Super easy, super simple. Now I'm gonna set a 20-minute timer, and in 20 minutes we're gonna come back and we're gonna do our hydrophobic test. It's been 20 minutes, and now we can do our hydrophobic test. So just like that, you can see everything's falling off the surface because your car is protected by ceramic coating. What does that mean for you? That means no bird poop, tree sap, dirt, grime is actually coming into contact with your paint. It's coming into contact with your ceramic coating, which is falling right off of. So when you drive on the freeway, the water just flies right off, the bird poop, the tree sap, all that stuff just comes right off and it doesn't damage your paint. So now you see with your own eyes just how easy it is to install ceramic coating by Proje yourself. Get yours at projeproducts.com.